just got in a new speedometer. The combo speedometer, tachometer, which way it is. There it is. I got the one with a black dial. I'm opening it. Let's see. The black face with the miles per hour only. This instruction. That's how it comes. Just opening it up for the first time right here. Miles per hour. RoadKing. I've already removed the console. It's pretty simple. It's a connector on top, hex bolt on top, a socket wrench on the bottom. I think it was 3/8, and then we'll just have to replace this part. Okay, guys. My camera died, so I'm using my Osmo now. So basically, you pry this out. You can see the red part moving. See that? And that'll pop out these three. Keep going, and once that pops out, you're gonna have to remove this. And the way you do it is, you just open this up one side, pull out a little bit, and then open the other side up, and this will pop right off. Sorry, I only have one hand now. Okay, once it comes off, you can remove the old speedometer. It should fall right off. Let's see right here. There's the old one. There's a rubber O-ring that goes around it. We're gonna hold on to that. Put this on the new one. All right. Doing everything from one hand here. There. I'm gonna put it back on here. Okay. I guess we can plug this in. Okay. Matter of pushing it back in. Let me make sure it's facing the right way. Should be facing up. There. Does that look right? That's close. There. That's pretty close. Push this back in. It's really hard to do it with one hand, I'll tell you. Okay, that side's in. Let's snap this side in. And then let's snap the last one in. Okay, it's in. There. Okay. Now we just have to assemble it back on here. Back. Put the gas connector there. Okay. This. That. There it is. There it is. Let me just plug this back in. Okay, so we torqued this to 9 to 11 Newton meters. I'm just going to be on 10. Really that strong. Feels like it's going to break. So according to the manual, when we turn this on, because this both have traction control and cruise control and also ABS and tire monitoring system, we should be able to see all those things. Let's see. Traction control, the cruise control, engine, ABS. All right, so we got everything. This looks good. Looks like it figured out the fuel level immediately. has all the symbols there. We can also switch through using this little clicker here. Using this, you can click through it, showing the trip A, the miles for trip B, the range that's left with the fuel, 170 miles. The clock I haven't set yet. Front tire pressure, 37 psi. The actual miles. You can monitor the front air pressure, the rear air pressure, odometer, trip 1, trip 2. That's how much miles you have for gas, time, and then you have your gear and RPM.